morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as we promised, we are on the second part of our video review of the Ticwris GTX Smartwatch or Smartband. The last time we checked on its design and specs, so this time we're going to check out its menus, the display screen. We'll turn it on. Okay, so far when it comes to design, it looks good. It looks premium. Okay, again, we got it from gearbest.com. Check out the links below. So if you're looking for a smartwatch or a smart band that looks like a smartwatch with a widescreen display, I think this is one of the latest in the market. We have here, again, we have a PC body here and metal bezel. Okay, so we got it from gearbest.com. Okay, the Ticwris GTX. As you can see here, 1.91 inch display screen, 3D curve design. We have a slight curve here on the display and on the bottom part, so it will sit comfortably on your wrist. Okay, so 300 mAh lithium ion battery, so it is a sleep function, heart rate monitoring function. Okay, we have a multi-function reminder and sports mode, and most of all, it is IP68. Again, water resistant. So here are the features of your Ticwris GTX. Check out the links below for full specifications as well as the shopping site. Fitness and sleep, 300 mAh. Okay, beautiful screen, full color screen display, 3D curve design, and of course wide screen display. Okay, so let's check. So we have here, okay, the smartwatch. Okay, let's remove it. Okay, the plastic covering here. Again, nice, very wide screen. It looks like a smartwatch already. Okay, I have here the Amazfit GTS. Okay, look at the display screen. Okay, so this one, it looks like a blend of smartwatch and smart band. Okay, power button here. Okay, let's see. Okay, from top to bottom we have these settings here, and from left to right we have a blood pressure monitoring. See it? So let's see. So it doesn't detect. Let's see if it's continue measuring the blood pressure. We'll see. Okay, so far when I remove my wrist, so it stopped checking or it stops monitoring. Let me show it to you again. Okay, so we have here, so it stops. Okay, but when I put my wrist here, as you can see, so it works. So it's just not a design or a fake blood pressure monitoring. It really works. Let me remove my wrist. So as you can see here, it stops. Okay, let's go back to the home. Let's check if there are preloaded watch faces. Long press. So okay, doesn't have a function for changing watch faces by tapping on the screen or tapping on and waiting for several seconds. No. Okay, so let's see later on the settings. Okay, we have here the automatic step monitoring. We have here the steps, the kilometer, the distance, and the calories. Okay, that is your heart rate. Again, stops monitoring when it doesn't detect your skin or your wrist, and it monitors again. Okay, so nice. Okay, seems like we have here a really working heart rate monitoring as well as a blood pressure monitoring. Okay, so we'll see, and that's it for the menu from top to bottom. So where can we access the sports functions here? So here, from the bottom to up, just tap or just slide the screen. Okay, heart rate, blood pressure, the sports, sleep monitoring. Okay, again, the notice is for reminder everything. So we have here the QR code, timer, countdown, and the settings. Let's go back again for the sports. So we have the running, walking, climbing, riding, football, basketball, badminton, ping pong, and swimming. For the running, let's see if what are the details. So we have the blood pressure, the steps, and the time. Long press the watch button to pause. Okay, let's try. Okay, again long press. Okay, let's stop. Okay, let's see in the settings menu if we have the options for the watch face. So we have here of theme. Okay, unlike other smartwatches that you have to long press the screen to change the watch face, this one you really have to go to the settings. Okay, let's see. We hope that there are preloaded watch faces. I mean, there are available watch faces in the support app. So that's it. Just tap on it and it will be activated. Notice notification. We have the countdown. That's it. So far, very simple UI, easy to use, and what I'm impressed more is the sensor here. So as you can see, it stops working with when it doesn't detect your skin or your wrist, and it works right away when it detects the presence of your skin. Okay, we'll see. So it takes time. Okay, seems like it's working. So far, simple UI, very wide display screen. I like it. Okay, if you're working out, you can really see the information. Okay, very comfortable to wear, to use because of its curved design here. Slightly curved design. Okay, let me wear it. You can see the contour of the design. As you can see here, curve, widescreen display, easy to access UI, full color, full touchscreen display with brightness adjustment. See, as you can see, very responsive menu and a very affordable smartwatch slash smart band wearable. Again, if you are interested, please check out the links below. On our next video, we're going to install this in Android and iOS. So please watch out. Beautiful smart band smartwatch. This is your Ticwris GTX. I guess the time for the display time out here is available in the support app. So it measures, automatically measures your stats or heart rate. You don't have to tap on it. Just slide and select the sensor or the function and it automatically detects your heart rate as well as the blood pressure. Okay, so far very impressed with the design. Okay, the display screen and the sensor of the Ticwris GTX Smartwatch or Smartband. Okay. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Bye.